Alright guys, here we are installing the troughs. So you can see Pete, he's over there putting down the butyl caulk over top of the original, or the one that was just laid. And then it's going to continue the other side all the way down towards the downspouts. And then Pete's getting that stuff underneath the flashing. So this flashing is already in, siding's done in. It's very difficult to take that side off to remove the flashing. So what we're doing is caulking underneath the flashing, or butyl caulking underneath the flashing, and then a little bit on the other joist, and then butyl caulk on top of the RainEscape troughs. And then you go and you take that trough and you get it underneath, in between the flashing and the ledger. It's very important to get that all the way tight. Get that all the way tight to the house underneath the flashing on top of the ledger. And Pete's going to go and get a staple on the one side to hold it tight. And he's going to roll it out to Greg. And then Greg's going to go ahead and pull it tight. And then Pete's going to go through and staple down right over where that butyl caulk was. Then he's going to come and set another staple on the other joist. Kind of set it with a little bit of a pitch, not all the way completely tight, but pretty darn close. And then Greg got his staple down to hold his end. Pete's going to come through, finish stapling off that side. And now Greg is cutting that down, or that trough, pretty much in the middle of the downspout, maybe even a little bit past. And once he gets that cut, he's going to come and they're going to set the pitch. And so now Greg is going to pitch his end and push it down into that downspout. And then Pete's going to work his side all the way down to keep that pitch nice. So you can see he's pushing it down into that downspout, pulling it nice and tight, making sure we got a nice, good, tight trough. And then Pete's going to come through and staple it, making sure that pitch is staying the way it needs to stay. And then we're going to come over and tape the top of those troughs. So where the seams are, from trough to trough, we're going to go through and tape it with butyl tape. And then once we screw our screws in for the decking, it's going to hold that and it's not going to leak. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. And there he goes again, going on top, butyl tape, butyl caulking again. And then Greg's going to take it down and do the other side, and it's going to happen all over again. So again, hope these videos help you guys. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, if this video helps you, please like and share us, subscribe to us. That definitely helps us. We also got our Instagram, which is Colorado_covers_decks, and our Facebook @covers and decks. Thanks guys.